today we're going to be making a science experiment with home supplies. We're going to inflate a balloon with yeast. And first let me explain to you what yeast is. Yeast is a small single-celled organism that feeds off of simple sugars, breaking them down into carbon dioxide, alcohol, flavor molecules, and energy. This process is referred to as fermentation. What we're going to be needing is a clear plastic bottle, 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of warm water, and also a balloon, and a mug or a bowl full of warm water. The first step is to pour into the bottle 2 tablespoons of yeast. If you don't have a funnel, you could also use a measuring cup with a spout. So this is our first tablespoon of yeast. And then our second tablespoon of yeast. Then our tablespoon of sugar. Then our 3 tablespoons of warm water. So this is 1, 2, and the third tablespoon of water. After pouring in the mixture into the bottle, you should quickly stretch out your balloon over the bottle opening. Then gently mix your mixture in the bottle. After pouring the mixture into the bottle, you should put the bottle on top of the mug full of warm water like this. And you should check your science experiment every 10 minutes or so to observe any changes. It will take about an hour for the balloon to reach its maximum size. Eventually, it would look like this. The yeast in this experiment will be activated or woken up by warm water, and then the sugar will act as its food. The yeast and sugar will produce a gas called carbon dioxide. Then the carbon dioxide will get trapped into the balloon, eventually blowing it up. This is similar to when gas gets caught in the bread dough when it is rising. The air pockets get caught in the dough, causing the bread to rise and become fluffy. I hope you have fun making this experiment. Thank you for watching.